The RAD-compliant deburring tool utilizes an adjustable force floating spindle so that the cutting burr will comply to or follow the part. The spindle is centered by the compliance air. By adjusting the compliance air, the resistance or tool pressure can be varied. Increasing the air motor air pressure increases the motor speed, which increases the surface speed. The compliant spindle and variable speed motor work together to increase the consistency of your part finish. The RAD-compliant deburring tool provides 360 degrees of uniform radial compliance to accommodate for part and path variations without requiring changes in robot orientation, simplifying programming. Further, it provides consistent burr pressure against the workpiece, adjustable through manual or programmable pneumatic regulation. The system utilizes a vane-type air motor, allowing you the option to use air pressure of less than 90 psi without motor stall. It increases flexibility. The variable speed motor enables you to use the deburring tool on a wider variety of materials and with a wider variety of burrs than fixed RPM motors.
Call us here to speak with a technical representative who can answer all of your questions.